Black hole skimmers can create a lot of surface flow in a tank. However, it can also create a much slower flow that gives your surface feeders time to finish their meal. We can get these different flow rates while the black hole skimmer continues to skim only surface water. For faster flows, we leave the pump exhaust uncovered. For a slower flow, we can place a diffusion sponge over the exhaust. Marineland powerheads also come with a device that allows the redirection of exhaust flow. No matter what your flow needs, you can be sure your black hole skimmer is filtering the maximum amount of surface water